I said, okay, so me and Adam were talking, and
my arms are getting tired. It hurts.
Okay, then don't.
It's not coming out.
I missed it. It went.
Oh, hurt.
Whoa, there was thunder over there. Woo, thunder.
Oh, oh.
Step in the grass.
No.
Bruh. Ow! I hit my leg on the chair. Ow, stop. You're hitting me on my head.
Oh my gosh.
I saw that. But I didn't get
Oh
on.
my gosh.
Adam, stop. You're making me look too much. And I can't miss the good ones.
God.
Beep, beep.
Struck me lightning.
Hopefully it does.
Fire!
I wonder what it's like.
Fire!
Holy moly, that's like sci-fi stuff.
What?
You see that cloud over there?
No.
Like sci-fi stuff.
There's a boat.
There's an opening to heaven right there.
Where?
In there.
You're dumb.
In there. There's 2 openings to heaven right there.
Shut up.
No. It's getting windy and I'm afraid. Oh, it's getting darker on the camera now. Good job. Good job, camera.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh! Did you see that again?
Yeah.
It keeps breaking over here and over here.
Sometimes over there, but I prefer this one because the best ones come here. But the ones over there, they don't come out well.
Oh my gosh!
I didn't get it.
That was huge!
I saw
Look
it.
around, go like that.
That's what I did.
Plant the area.
Even in part 1 of
But
this.
you went too slow.
Who cares, Adam?
I
50%.
care. Just you. Lightning! Serious business! Are you gonna work for the federal government?
No. Get out. Wally molly.
What?
I saw one where you were going a federation.
What's a federal? Oh my gosh.
Do, do,
Let's
do,
go.
do, 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 do.
Waiting for next episode.
Stop. I was watching Rick and Morty.
Oh my gosh. I saw that through the mirror. Mirror on the wall. Oh my gosh!
Don't skunk!
Oh my
You
gosh.
scared me when you said, oh my gosh, I thought it was a man or something.
There you go. See, it's grass. She's a
Woo!
Look, she can eat grass. Good girl. You're not meat. You're a vegetarian.
All right, I'm gonna flip it sideways. I'm so sorry, Taylor, and other people who are watching this. But I'm gonna have to catch the thunder. Get out of here! Whoa! It struck the ground. You got in the way. Retard.
Don't lick my belly button.
We're sitting in my chair. It's windy.
Molly.
On the camera, it doesn't look like they're
Mom,
moving.
why am I just? What?
Holy moly! I'm alone and I feel afraid. There's so much stuff flying past the camera. Goody, 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 goody. I got that. I got this one, but not that one. Thunder is so amazing. This started like 30 minutes ago when I was over there and I saw boom, boom, boom. Crap, that light turned on. Adam, what the hell? I'm so afraid. Kind of scared. I don't know why. You scared me! What the heck? I yelled like a girl. You scared me. What is wrong with you? And I feel weird. You okay, girl?
Oh my gosh! Why are you crying? She's a good girl. She's wet and I love her. She has black eyes. Would she eat my hand?
You think we should head inside? Whoa, Illuminati stuff right there.
Oh my God! It's the carnivore!
You son of a... Adam! Oh my God! Monica's eyes are green. The thunder! It's gonna kill us! Holy cow, we saw it over there.
Don't hurt me! You hurt me! Please!
Ouch! Go away! Run! Run out of here.
Ow!
Let's watch the thunder from in here. Turn it. He's coming!
With the belt!
Oh, now it's a chase.
Run! He has the belt!
Run it up! He's a belt on him. Be careful.
He's coming!
No, he got you. Adam!
I can't walk! I can't
He's
walk!
going the other way! I told you he was going that way.
He's going this way?
He's going the other way. I love doing this. I'm scared! I just got chills in my spine so bad! You freaking baby. You scared me. Oh, I got chills in my back. Yeah, I gave her food. All right. Okay. Ooh! The heck? The table is wet.
You hit my... Oh, I can't walk.
Nasty.
Oh my God.
What did I hit you with?
Oh! Oh no!
I didn't hit you with anything though.
Oh! No, I want one. You guys can't see what I'm eating right now.
What are you eating? Especially illegal. That's mango, Adam.
It's blood food.
Blood food. Right.
Why? And see this? You think it might just be normal, regular shield, but it's an ultimate shield.
It's not a shield.
Ah! Look, everyone, this is my baby brother, scared of lightning.
Yeah, he was like, yeah.
Bye, yellow. I'm going behind
Bye,
bars
Shin.
today, after 15 murders.
Bye, Shin.
15 murders. Yes, that's it. Yes,
Shut
that's
up! Oh my God, I just spilled water on me.
That's my water!
No, it isn't.
Oh!
Stop! I want water.
Oh my, fine, have it. You made it stink like fish.
Stuff ready so you can take a shower.
Dad, did you know we started a YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm.
And you're not gonna delete it?
You can't.
What?
No, you can't.
I'll try.
What? Turn off the flashlight.
Itself.
Really?
It just turns on by itself.
Dad, someone peed on the table.
Someone peed on the table. No one peed on it. I spilled water and then I cleaned it up and then Ashton spilled water. Yeah, I'm not lying.
Ice cold water.
Ashton scared me so bad. But that's the end of the video. Bye.